First, we connect the power. Connected. And you could see this right button is the main power button. Turn it on. This is our brand 6度. And you could see this is the main page of the panel. You could set the speed and the temperature you need on this page. Turn to choose SV. It means the setting temperature. You could set the temperature you need. Price to confirm. And turn right to increase the temperature. And turn left to decrease the temperature. You could see it's very accurate by 1 degree. Now press to confirm the temperature you want. And you set the speed. Turn to choose the speed and price to confirm. Then turn right to increase the speed, higher the speed, and turn left to lower the speed. Then confirm. Price to confirm. Now you have set the speed and the temperature you need. You could turn to heat switch, then price on. Start heating. You could see the temperature is increasing. In 1 minute, it will be the same as the temperature you set. It's very fast.